Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you a little bit about the menu. This is a quick 101 on getting started. This is your select button. This is your move button, which moves the object on the screen. This is your scale. This is your rotate. Okay, so this is your move, your rotate, and your scale, and your pick of the object. Okay, then we move over here, and these are actual commands that we can use. We can draw a box, a sphere, a cylinder, and so forth. If we select the one with the circle and the square, we can do a line, a circle, an arc, just like with regular AutoCAD, even rectangle. One of the very first things to do, the people like to do, is we like to do the text. So let's click on text, and down here you'll see we can change it to whatever we want to change it to. Okay, and then we can put it on the screen. Boom, that's there. Okay, looks like I misspelt a word, so I can come over here and I can simply just put a T there, and you see it automatically fixes it. So then we look at this and we go, wow, this is exactly what we want. Okay, and we can also come over here and we can change the font style if we wanted to. Okay, just anything we want, and it changes. You see, looks real simple. Here's Broadway. Not bad. We can also go back and we can put it back to Arial. And then, so we wanted to look more 3D, we would want to come up here and choose this one right here. Your most popular ones to do are these four right here. So we're going to choose there, and we're going to look at our modifier list. We're going to say, well, let's click on it. So this list allows us to modify that. So let's look and see if we can scroll down and find extrude. So we can click on it, and boom, it is 3D. It looks really good at this point. So then we can come over here and we can say, well, we want it a little bit smaller than that, so we could do 25. Okay, and now we want to be able to see what it looks like. So we are going to use the rotate command, and it brings up this little round circle thing, and we're going to choose the yellow one, and we're going to stand it up. And wow, does that look good. And there is the 3D name.